If you've ever struggled to make text bigger or smaller in LibreOffice Writer, this video is going to make it super easy. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in and out in LibreOffice Writer using the built-in zoom controls, so you can comfortably read and work on your document without constantly squinting or scrolling around. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you can either create a brand new Writer document from the left side under Create, or you can open an existing document that you already have saved. Either way will work, because the zoom controls are available while you're working inside Writer. Now, take a look at the bottom right corner of the LibreOffice Writer window. This is where you'll find the zoom slider. The slider is the fastest and easiest way to adjust how large or small your document appears on the screen. If you want to zoom in, click and drag the slider toward the plus side, or click the plus button if it's available. As you increase the zoom, the text and page elements will appear larger, which is helpful when you want to read small text, edit details, or focus on specific parts of your document. If you want to zoom out, move the slider toward the minus side, or click the minus button. This will make the document appear smaller on screen, which is useful when you want to see more of the page at once or get a wider view of your layout. You can keep adjusting the zoom until the document looks comfortable for your workflow. Some people prefer a larger zoom when typing and editing, while others prefer a smaller zoom when reviewing an entire page. The best part is that you can change it anytime in just a second. And that's really all there is to it. By using the zoom slider in the bottom right corner, you can quickly zoom in and out in LibreOffice Writer without needing any complicated menus or advanced settings. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference when working more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.